Innovation, technology, maximum protection. Aviator 2.3 is fitted with the new AMS safety system. 3 years of intensive studies and tests have allowed Airoh to patent the AMS system, composed of 2 internal shells with different densities and independent movements. This reduces the rational acceleration caused by impacts and also the probability of damage to the human brain. 2 shells are interconnected by a central damping ring and by a set of elastomers placed between the 2. The elastomers feature high elasticity that is maintained even if subjected to extreme conditions. In the event of impact, these elements allow the relative movement between the 2 internal shells by absorbing and best distributing the forces and reducing rotational acceleration. Thanks to the new ventilation channels, the AMS system also improves heat exchange, thereby increasing user comfort. The adaptive fit guaranteed by the AMS system further improves user comfort. Inside the removable fabric cap is anchored with the patented magnetic attachment and detachment system. The system is composed of a series of magnets that allow you to remove and attach it quickly and intuitively for regular cleaning. All this for high performance comfort.